That's amazing that you are aware, you are self-aware of the experience and the emotions of excitement and nervousness. Now you ask the question, what do I do with these feelings? Feelings are arising because they just want to be felt. So feel your feelings, right? Allow your emotions without trying to change them. There's nothing wrong with excitement. There's nothing wrong with nervousness. Just be with it. Bring attention and presence to your body, observe what it feels like, and really do your best to stay neutral when you experience it, right? Just observe, take away the story and just observe what nervousness feels like in your body. What's tight, what's tense, just bring presence and it will move through and eventually release. However, if your emotions start to feel overwhelming, one great tool that you can use, an activity you can do, is to move, right? Do some yoga, dance, go for a walk, help that energy and motion to move through you, and it will release and let go.